you can get as a gift, because you don't have to just give the mug. You can do some really fun things with these mugs. You're going to get 4 mugs with 4 gift boxes, and you can get the 4 that are in Old World, or what we call classic, or you can get the 4 in the polka dot. And if you get the polka dot, you get a black and white, a red and white, a blue and white, and a green and white. And you'll get all 4 of their gift boxes as well. Or if you get the classic, which is the Old World pattern, you get 1 red, 1 blue, 1 green, 1 black, all with their gift boxes as well. The price tag, well, we put it down to a clearance price of less than $20. So we saved you $9, brought it in less than $20. So you know what you're paying? $5 a gift. Less than $5 a gift. And this is where you get Tara's dips. You get like 6 dips. You also can get those wonderful mud cakes in the cups and stuff. And put one of those in each of the cups and then put them in the boxes and give it. And they've got dessert as well, or a dip that they can use with their favorite chips. Okay, you've got to tell everybody, this is no ordinary mug. These are
you're right.
amazing. They really are.
Because they're little mini bakers as well as being a 16-ounce mug. So I love everything you were saying, down to even the silhouette. So it starts down here with that cute little pedestal, keeps it up off, you know, the base of it. And then you have that chubby little belly that I love so much. You know, I love to hug a mug. And then that oversized handle. So when you're coming in and out of the microwave, you're coming in and out of the oven, French onion soups, ice cream sundaes. Again, not just for drinking, although hot teas, cold beverages, what I love about it, maybe put all the ingredients to make a Bloody Mary inside here, wrap it up in like a little cellophane and gift that to the friend who you always have mimosas and Bloody Marys with, or put a gift card inside here if you don't want to just give the mug. But when you think about the fact that it's stoneware, that it's durable, that it's less than $5. This is where Lisa always jokes. She never understood a gift closet until she saw things like this. We're never going to do these again, right? So that's super special. And then tuck these away because that's a meaningful gift. It's thoughtful.
We've sold 155,000, and by the way, another 13,000 sets, not individual ones. You get 4 in a set. We've sold 13,000 sets just today, and it's only in the morning still on the East Coast. Here we filled one with all kinds of little things for kind of like a little girly girl thing, where there's a brush and some, it could be a whole nail kind of,
and some makeup.
Exactly, but I like this one. I'm a big Lindt chocolate fan. And so
me too.
To fill those cups, fill a cup with some chocolates or some candies or whatever, it'd be so fun, so great. I was looking to see what they did up here in the black one. Oh, that's a little tea. And then here was the Bloody Mary. But I also say the tomato soup. The tomato soup, you know, we're talking about comfort food, family food. You know, now that the kids have been home more and you're getting around the table, like with our today's special value, or sometimes it's like, I just don't have time to really think about dinner, and I'll just say, hey, you know what? We're doing grilled cheese and tomato soup. And actually, that's one of the favorite dinners at my house. And so you drink your tomato soup out of this. It stays warmer longer, because this is where we go back to hot stays hotter longer and cold stays colder longer.
You're absolutely right. So chilies and soups, I love drinking soup out of a mug. It's one of my favorite things to do. I just think I love the fact that it's like all compact. I can heat it up. You can do cold beverages. We even did like a yogurt parfait inside there. These are those mugs that you'll use for more than just coffee. And, you know, if you really wanted to go crazy, Mary Beth, we could make a hot fudge sundae together.
That sounds good.
And you have your hot fudge, and you have your whipped cream, and you have some of your little sprinkles on top. And before you know it, exactly what you were saying, you're making a memory with a mug. And whether it's hot chocolate when you're coming in from the snow and you've been sledding all day, or it's just that first me time in the morning with a cup of coffee. I don't know about you, but I have a favorite mug, and every morning it's like a ritual. I get my mug, I get my coffee, I get some quiet time, and I love that.
Well, I love the polka dots and the Old World, because obviously I collect Old World, but there's something that's just cheerful and joyful about the polka dots. And you know, you say you have your favorite mug. I'm like the kind of gal, I open up the cupboard and I look in and I think, what am I like today? You know, it's kind of like I want to choose a different one every day. And so I think it's so fun that you're doing them in the different colors. You may want to buy 2, 3, 4 sets. I'm telling you, this is clearance priced. So you just saved $9 by buying them now. And also, they will not be reordered. You're getting reduced shipping and handling. It was $5.50 to ship all 4 of these to you. Now it's $3.50, which is normally what we charge for like little beauty items and jewelry, etc. These are mugs. These are ceramic mugs. They're not lightweight. They're not, you know, and yet look at the handle. I can get all 4 fingers in there. So if you've got a big guy with big hands, don't worry. He can get all of his, or not maybe all, but 2 or 3 of his fingers in there too. Let me give you a quick update. 2,000 sets gone just in this show. 15,000 for the day. I would love it if you could place your order through QVC.com, or you can download our free app and put it on any of your smart devices. We've got them all. And you can tap the app. I do that all the time. I'm like obsessed with that. But I want to go back to, let's go back to just the handwork. You know, we talk about, mugs, and they're less than $5 each and all these great things. And then I stopped and I thought, wait, what is the workmanship that goes into one of these?
That's such a great question, Mary Beth, and it's something we kind of just breeze by a lot of times, but they're all hand done. So you have hand applied accents, and then you also have hand painting. You have the dipping and the recess on the mugs, and on the polka dot. And that's what's so unique about these. It's like you said, it's not just a plain Jane mug. There's something really special about it, whether it's the patterns, whether it's the shape. A lot of thought goes into, I know it may sound silly, but I obsess over these details. How does it feel? What does it look like? Put it through the paces. Can I make a French onion soup in it and chili in it? Can it be my tea in the morning and my coffee? Can I give it to a coworker and now it's something that they have? Maybe they just use pens. They put it on their desk.
Yeah.
There's so many different ways that you can use these mugs, but at the heart of it, it's the Temp-tations story. It's oven safe up to 500 degrees and fridge and freezer, microwave, and the best part, it's dishwasher safe.
I have to tell you too, it just dawned on me when you were talking about different ways to use it, because I actually put these like Temp-tations mugs on my countertop in my bathroom, and they're for my makeup brushes.
Makeup brushes? Lisa does the same exact thing. Brilliant mind, brilliant mind.
But the other thing is when you, like you said, you obsess over the details. I mean, the detail even of, can I get in there and wash it well? Yeah, my whole hand is in there and I can go in and out. You know, I can't stand ones that the hole is so small that I can't hardly get in there. And, you know, I put my Scrub Daddy in there, but this one I can get in there. You know what I mean? It's like all those practical things. But now there's only 2 sets left. There's the polka dot set that you get black, red, blue, and green. You don't make a choice. You get the choice is the polka dot or the classic. But in your set, you get all 4 colors. You're getting all 4 gift boxes. They even have a to from tag on them. So you don't even have to add a to from tag. You don't even have to add a bow. It looks like it's printed on there anyway. And here is the old world pattern, which is what we call classic. And once again, you get the same colors, the red, the blue, the green, and the black. And a lot of times too, I also like colorful, not only because what color I want, but you know, if you like set these out, everybody knows their color. You know, it's like you don't pick it up and go, hey, was this your iced tea or mine? You know, you go like, okay, I got the red one.
Polka dot, right?
Yeah,
Look at us.
Exactly, exactly. These are so adorable. I just want to say, look at this. I'm going to give you some ideas. I don't even know what this is, but it looks like I want to dive in. It looks so yummy. And these are...
That is one of our no-bake Grammy cheesecakes. So you mentioned that we also have mug cakes.
Yes.
These mug cakes are great, you guys. You put them right in here with a little water, microwave it, and you have a chocolate or vanilla cake. Wow. But we also have our no-bake Grammy cheesecakes. So whether you're doing something like that, an ice cream sundae, a yogurt parfait, mimosas, whatever it is you want to drink. And what I love about that as a gift is everybody's drinking something, right? Water, we're hydrating.
Right.
This is just a no-brainer that you know they're going to use, and every time they grab it, they'll think of you.
Hot chocolate. I mean, you can even heat up syrups if you want to in these to pour the syrups. Here's the thing. If you're going to get these, remember, you've got 4 gifts per set, because if you want the classic set, that's these 4 right here, and it's less than $5 each. If you want the polka dot, because it's just fun, I love polka dot. Polka dots are always happy and cheerful, and we all can use that. This set right here, less than $5 a gift, or less than $20 to keep all 4 yourself. And then you could use these boxes for something else. This is so great. 3,000 of these already spoken for. They're dishwasher safe, freezer safe, refrigerator safe, microwave safe, and oven safe, even up to 500 degrees. Okay.